Hello, I am going to show you how to use the Ebsco databases at Mount Carmel Academy. The first thing you need to do is open up a web browser and then go to Mount Carmel's homepage, which is mcacubs.com. From the homepage, you want to hover your cursor over Academics and then click on Frequents. You'll see the Library tab. You'll want to click on Ebsco for the Ebsco databases. Every time you go to Ebsco, you need the username and password. You can see the username here is MT Carmel Academy. The password is protected. You will have to ask your teacher or the librarian for the password. You can always email us or come ask us for the password. So then you just click on Login, and you have a couple of different options in Ebsco. So on the home page, notice there's a Science Reference Center, there's a History Reference Center. Academic Search Complete is just a good general database. And then there's Explora. Explora is also a good general database. So I'm going to show you how to use Explora. So you click on Explora, and then you just type in your search term. I'm going to search for Susan B. Anthony. And Ebsco has some unique features. One thing you can do in Ebsco is you can put your cursor over the magnifying glass and it will give you the abstract or the summary of the article. So you can read the abstract to decide if you want to click on the article or not. Also, Ebsco Explorer will tell you the types of sources you have right here. So for example, this is a biography, this is from an academic journal, it gives you videos, periodicals, so you have lots of different sources here. Notice it'll either tell you that you can look at a source that's HTML full text or PDF full text. If there is nothing underneath an article, I'm trying to find one, but I don't see one. If there would be no HTML full text or no PDF full text underneath an article, then that means there's just the abstract and you can't look at the article. I'm going to look at this article right here. So you can look at it at HTML or you can look at it at PDF. This is what it looks like with HTML. Here's your article right here. Ebsco does not give you the citation at the bottom, and I'll show you that. There is no citation down here. So how do you get your citation? A couple of different ways. You can click on print and you will change the citation format to MLA, and then when you click print, even though you don't have to really print it, this will be the citation right here. So you can copy and paste that citation into a Google Doc or a Word doc. Notice though there are some issues with spacing in here, so you need to double check the citation, but this is a good guide as to what the citation is. Or you can come right here to this little piece of paper that says Cite on the right hand side, and you can click on Cite, and if you scroll down, this will give you the MLA citation as well. So two different ways to get your citation. You can also look at the article as a PDF sometimes, which will just look like the scan of a magazine or a book. If you wanted to print the article, this is in the PDF. This would be the little print feature right here. This would be the little citation paper right here to get the citation. You can also download the PDFs in Ebsco. I'm going to go back and I'm going to pick the HTML one again just to show you that here's the print and then here's the cite. If you have a PDF option, like right here, save PDF to cloud, you can save this into your Google Drive. So you can say you like this article, you can click right here and you can tell it that you want to save it to your Google Drive right here. And then you can click Save, and it will show you your progress of saving the article into your Google Drive. And then since I've already saved this article into my Google Drive, I'll show you what that looks like. So then you just come to your Google Drive, and there's the article right there. It'll show up right there. Or also, Ebsco will create a folder for you. But here is my article. Let's see if it goes in there. It didn't go in there. But here is my article right here that I can move into my Ebsco folder. And it looks just like the scan of the magazine. So that's how you can save your articles. If it is a PDF, how you can save it into your Google Drive. If it's just HTML like this one, you can't really save it into your Google Drive. It's very glitchy. So you'd either have to print it or copy and paste it into a Word doc, something like that if you wanted to save it. But that's basically how to use Ebsco. The only other thing I can show you over here is that these are your different types of sources. So if you just wanted magazine articles, you could click, for example, right here, and it would just give you magazine articles. So there's, you could look for just academic journals or just biographies or different things like that. But that's basically how you're going to use Ebsco. Thank you.